Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Friday. Today I'm gonna unbox this one. This is the mystery unboxing. My cousin just got this for my mom to bring back to Taiwan, but I don't even know what it is. So let's go ahead and get it started. Oh my god, I'm gonna open this. And I'm not gonna damage the box, so hopefully it's not gonna get damaged. I gotta either ship it back to Taiwan or bring it back. Oh my god, what is this? How does this open? So I believe it's like a flap. Need to open it. Let's see. What the heck? See, what is this? Hopefully there's no receipt or anything like that. Wow, Marc Jacobs. It says on the cover right there, Marc Jacobs with the S. Got the tissue paper. Wow. Got the air bubble wrap. What the? On the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably another 4 more right here. And this is taped up nicely. Let's see. Oh. When it's out of the way. So let's see what is inside. So I got a taped up Marc Jacobs black. It says Marc Jacobs right here with the dust bag. On the bag is plain. You got this draw cord right here or string for you to tie it. What the? This is it a backpack or what is this? Oh my goodness. So it is a backpack. Marc Jacobs, New York. You got this gold zipper. Also on the line, the zipper lines. And you got 2 of this zipper in the front. So you got the J upside down. Come with this card. I know. It says This Marc Jacobs product was crafted using unique material. We recommended this product be handled with a special care. So I guess this is a care instruction booklet. "100% nylon for the body. The trim is 100% cow leather. Content non-textile, part of animal origin." 100% nylon. So this is a special wrapped up right here on the probably the leather strap. I'm not gonna open it. And then on this side too. And then there's a tissue paper covering this, probably like a leather tab or something. So let's check it out over here on the top pockets. Got tissue paper in here. Another tissue paper. So the pocket goes all the way deep down. Okay. And then there's no inner pocket at all. Put this back. Let's go ahead and check out the bottom. Oops. So the bottom is just a bottom section right here. That's it. Look at those gold finish zipper. You got the D hook right here. Let me twist this open and see what is inside. I'm curious. So it's a leather. Yeah, the two leather. Like that. On all the pull tabs. Okay? So check out inside. So there's nothing at all inside. Just a silicone gel. This is original product, authentic. As you can see, it says Marc Jacob. Oh, made in China. Made in China. Wow. Everything's made in China or Vietnam. And then there's a barcode right here, or UPC code. You got the pull for you to hold right here, a loop. Let me check out the price. What the? $195? That's just retail price? So what do you think, guys? Think this is worth that much? So this is like a leather strap right here. Oh gosh. And then right here is for you to adjust with the strap. This nylon strap is pretty thick and heavy duty, not no cheap one. So there's like a kind of gold finish buckle right here. I'm not gonna open it, so. And this is what it look like on the bottom right here. Uh-oh, what is this coming up? Anyway, well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you guys could get a notification right away, all right? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out and happy Friday.